Hi everyone, my name is Sarina Pantha and today I'll show you how to create short clips from your hours-long Zoom recordings and delete unwanted parts from it. First, start by uploading your Zoom video to Reduct. You can also bulk import them directly from Zoom. Now wait for a few minutes to get an AI transcript of your recording. Your AI transcript will look something like this. These transcripts are up to 96% accurate and completely editable as well. Okay, so in order to create clips from your Zoom recording, simply scan through the transcript and select parts that you want in your clip. Then click on Add to Reel button. After adding to the reel, you can get rid of unwanted parts by just selecting them and clicking on Cut button. Once done, download your edited Zoom video by just clicking this button over here or share it directly via a link so that anyone with the link can watch it without having to download it. And that's it. With Reduct, you can edit Zoom recordings fast and in large amounts. So make sure to give it a go. Thank you so much for watching.